The Morse code method is a note-taking method also envisioned by Cal Newport, and it focuses mainly on taking advantage of written materials. Whenever you find a sentence that seems to be laying out a main idea, you should draw a dot next to it in the margin. If you then come across an example or explanation that supports that big idea, you should draw a dash next to it on the margin. This allows you to record information without breaking your reading momentum, so you can then take notes. The act of taking the thoughts you've written and transforming them into notes is called the processing stage, and it basically requires you to paraphrase the main idea in your own words in a bullet point. The author then encourages you to take all of these sentences and review them in the format of a major question. What is the main question being asked in the article? What is the conclusion the authors point towards? Flow notes are very similar to mind maps, but they have no rules in terms of structure. Although difficult to review, they allow you to incorporate a large amount of information during your class, because they are a free pass for you to simply throw facts, arguments, topics, and dates on the page with no specific order, while connecting and linking these ideas as you hear them. Flow notes are great for those who hate transcribing information and really prefer to process what they're hearing into workable sentences or words. It's actually kind of an holistic method that works wonders for classes with no clear structure or discussion with interrelated components that aren't easily organized via outline formats. In case your class is highly dense on information, making it really impossible to compress all of the facts, you can still use flow notes as a hybrid system to comment and annotate original materials and textbooks, to create summaries or visual aids for complex chapters or topics. The sentence method is similar to the outline method as it relies on an expansive vision of your notes. But instead of using indenting and topic formulation, it uses one-liners, one per paragraph, to create a guide for each topic that is easily readable, workable, and memorable. The other major difference is that while the outline technique uses indentation to hierarchize the importance of different segments of the topic, by avoiding indenting, the sentence method considers every sentence of equal value, which means that topics with a high level of detail or information can benefit from this system, as they force you to memorize details as well as key ideas relating to the topic.